Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Shweta Sharma here. And in today's video, I have created a new look, and this is my first video that I have created a lookbook video here. And in this video, I have done a DIY sari petticoat which can be used during your pregnancy. The DIY petticoat is really very comfortable, what I am wearing right now inside this sari. So I'm going to show you how that petticoat looks here. I have created an open palla look in this video because during baby shower our elders bless us with lot of happiness, and they also bless us with few eatable things, so that we have to collect those all things in our palla. That's the reason that I've kept an open palla. It will be very easy to handle everything in that, and you can easily have them with you. You can just pleat everything, and that look is also going to give you a very beautiful look. But I especially like the open palla look because this is going to give your tummy really very beautiful look, and you will look from sidewise very beautiful. This is the time that you need to show your pregnancy belly, and you will have a very beautiful pictures and videos. But in my upcoming videos I'll also show you how to pleat your palla so that your tummy looks really beautiful. You can also create a maternity photo shoot look here. In maternity photo shoot look, if you have seen, almost many of us we always try to show our baby bum here. We show our love and care to the baby bum. That's the reason I've kept here open palla. In this video I'm going to share with you few images as well. Silk sarees always look beautiful, and it gives you a very elegant look. You can try, if you have any silk saree, just give it a try right now and you will love the look. So let me start with today's video. I'm using here Maybelline's lipstick and going to use a lip liner. By mistake I forgot to on the camera, and when I saw the makeup was almost done, so I thought okay, no problem, let me carry on with the remaining part of the video. You can see the makeup is done here. I'm just going to use a makeup brush and set my face with the powder here. I'm just going to share all the details below in the description box, whatever I have used for the makeup. I'm just going to set my hairs here. I'm just going to quickly change and come here, and then I'm going to set my hairstyle. I'm using a hair bun here. This hairstyle is really very easy and quick. You can just complete in 5 minutes. You can just have a look how I'm completing my hairstyle. So I'm using this hair bun accessories here. It is very pretty. At the first look when I saw this, I purchased it because I'm just in love with it. You can see my bun looks very pretty and beautiful. And now I'm going to show you what I'm wearing exactly. I'm using a kurti here because I don't fit into this sari's blouse, so I'm wearing this sari with a short kurti. Kurti is very comfortable, and during pregnancy it is good to wear a little loose blouse. That's the reason I'm wearing this kurti here. This is the DIY maternity petticoat. I'll be uploading the video very soon. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe. And here I'm wearing this petticoat on the palazzo itself and above the kurti. I'm not going to tie it very tightly. I'm going to tie it in a normal way so that I can breathe easily. Wear your petticoat over your baby bump. I have tied the petticoat, and you can see how stretchable the petticoat looks here. Now I'm going to wear this sari, and you can just note here I have just put a knot. So this knot is very important for me to secure my sari, and this gives me a complete secure feeling that my sari will stay on its place. So you can just tuck in the knot inside your petticoat and just tuck in your sari this way completely from right towards left, and then slowly take a right turn and tuck the sari the way I am showing you in this video. Now just see the video and take the sari's front portion from here, from the middle of the sari, and tuck here in just light hands, and then take the pallu area and just put it on your shoulders and secure here with a pin. To remove this pin, and then again I'm going to place my pallu once I'm done with the pleats. Now I'm going to come back to this portion and just going to take this towards middle, and now this portion on the left side should come on your baby bump. You need to just be careful here while placing the pin. Make sure to put the pin only with your petticoat and make sure to keep little bit loose over this area. It looks so beautiful. So now come towards the extra fabric hanging on the right hip side. Just leave some extra fabric. It's time to hold the sari tightly at one side with your thumbs and pinky finger. Stretch the sari here, hold it in between your index and middle fingers about 4 inches and then make the pleats. Make about 4 to 6 pleats and make about 4 to 6 pleats. They are good enough. Then adjust them until they are even and straight. After that, pin the pleats and just tuck the pleats into the petticoat above the baby bump. You can see here I've just tucked in my sari's pleats toward little bit left, so that at the time of walking I'll feel very comfortable. My left leg is going to support my pleats and I'm really going to have a comfort walking while wearing this sari in pregnancy. So now you need to just come towards the extra fabric and tuck the leftover fabric towards your back here. Now I'm going to come back to my pallu area and remove the pin, and I'm going to just set the pallu in very comfort way. And you can see here my front pallu looks very beautiful, and I'm going to just secure with the pin here. I have just placed the pin again. You can see here I've done with my sari draping here. I'm just showing you how beautiful I'm looking in this sari, and this sari has complete with the thread work, and this sari I purchased during my wedding for my mehendi ceremony. And whenever there is Teej festival or something I have to wear, I wear this sari, and this gives me a very beautiful look here. You can see how beautiful and elegant I look. The first look of this video is this, and here I'm just wearing my choker, and here I'm also wearing a gold earring. If you want to keep this look, you can just keep it, but here I'm going to wear big jhumkas here. This sari blouse doesn't fit me right now, so I'm wearing this with this sari. So I'm wearing this kurti with this sari. During pregnancy it's little bit difficult to fit into your old blouse, so make sure to wear your sari with some t-shirt, matching t-shirt or matching kurti. So the price of this sari was around 3500 rupees, and it's really very pretty and elegant sari. You can see the thread work. So this is my look too. Here my hairstyle is different. I've kept an open hairstyle here. You can see here I'm just going to place a sari pin here. I'm securing with sari pin this part of the sari, because when you keep your hairstyle open, it's important to handle the sari with care. So it's good to place your sari the way I am, and you can also easily handle your front pallu sari with your open hairstyle. You can see how beautiful I look with this simple makeup, and the sari is giving me a very beautiful look here. Here I am also sharing maternity photo shoot ideas at home. You can click your pictures in this way. You look really beautiful. I have not ironed this sari because there was no one nearby my place to give it for iron, and I don't do at home because I get a little bit scared that I might not be able to iron them myself. If you are watching me on Facebook, then please do like and follow my Facebook page, and do share this video. If you are watching me on YouTube channel, then please do subscribe and hit on the bell button for notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video.